meteoric rise of Bitcoin and blockchain technology over the past decade has created some pretty amazing innovations. But with so many technological advancements happening at once, it can be hard to keep track of all of them, especially if you aren't a tech expert yourself. Here are 5 top Bitcoin and blockchain topics that every space enthusiast should know about. Hello everyone, this is TheSomu TV. Welcome to our channel, where knowledge is power. Before getting started, like and subscribe, help us to grow this channel. So these are the 5 Bitcoin and blockchain topics you should care about. 1. Origins of Bitcoin. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. In it, he laid out his vision for how Bitcoin would change society. By creating a peer-to-peer network that no longer required trust in middlemen, such as banks or payment processors, to complete transactions, anyone could send money to any other person anywhere in the world instantly. It was a revolutionary concept that made it possible for individuals and organizations to transact directly with one another without having to rely on intermediaries such as banks or PayPal. 2. How does blockchain work? A blockchain is a distributed database that maintains a continuously growing list of records. Each record, called a block, contains a timestamp and links to a previous block. By design, blockchains are inherently resistant to modification of data. Once recorded, the data in a block cannot be altered retroactively. Blockchain technology allows parties that do not fully trust each other to interact without intermediaries such as banks or PayPal by maintaining cryptographically secured records across peer-to-peer networks. In terms of space industry, space agencies can use blockchain to make their processes more efficient while reducing cost and risk. They can also use it for funding, like a crowdfunding platform, and many other things. 3. Bitcoin investment in mining. Mining is part of what makes Bitcoin work, but that may not be enough to justify a place in your portfolio. It's now basically impossible to profitably mine Bitcoin on your home computer, and that means more interest in other digital currencies, like Litecoin and Ether, to fill demand. And many digital currency investors are putting their money into initial coin offerings, ICOs, which are similar to initial public offerings, IPOs. But these coins don't necessarily have any value, so there's a greater risk of just losing all your money. Plus, you should know about mining before you put money into it. If you want some insight into investing in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, consult a financial advisor or do some additional research online first. For example, if you bought $100 worth of Bitcoin back, when each costs $1,000 right now, each one would be worth around $2,700. If you had decided to wait until today to buy your $100 investment in Bitcoin, could get up over $3,000 instead. Then again, things might not work out at all like they did with Microsoft stock. Even if they do well initially, they can fall off quickly as well. 4. The future of blockchain. When it comes to blockchain, one of its major benefits is immutability. This means that once information is recorded onto a blockchain network, it can never be altered in any way without leaving evidence of tampering. Given its wide-ranging potential applications, it's important to recognize that while blockchain technology offers significant improvements over existing systems, like any new technology, there are both benefits and disadvantages that may arise from future adoption. But where do these opportunities lie? The following are 5 areas you should pay attention to as blockchain development matures. 1. Improved transparency for business processes. 2. Accessibility for individuals with disabilities. 3. Greater individual control over data assets. 4. Improved cybersecurity. 5. Reduced environmental impact. 5. The future with Bitcoin. As things stand now, Bitcoin is poised to be a major player in e-commerce. How? Well, as it turns out, Bitcoin has quite a few features that make it ideal for e-commerce sites. So that's it for today, guys. That's a dose of knowledge for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. TheSomu TV, signing out.